Oh. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh. Oh, dude, did you hear the drag just start pulling on that? Nice bass. I was afraid I was gonna lose him a second time, man. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh, dude, not again. Not again. Ah. Dude, just popped off again. I think that was the same bass. That was probably the same bass. All right, guys, what's going on? So this is going to be just a little something different today. I'm gonna throw this in here. I hopped in the boat, which is the golf cart, and I'm gonna hit a couple of these little ponds and see if I can't catch a couple fish today. I caught 6 bass last night on a black worm. So yeah, man, just something a little different. Hope you guys check out the latest video that's up, but let's get to it and see if I can catch any fish. Oh no, not where I wanted to go. Thanks, wind. Oh. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Whoo, dude, did you hear the drag just start pulling on that? Oh my goodness. Dude, that was a monster. I don't know if that was a bowfin or what. I never caught a glimpse of that. Oh, dude. Oh man. Dude, that was a beast. That was a beast. And like I said, man, like Roland Martin says, fish can't tell whether that's a full worm, like a full worm or not. So
it just doesn't make any difference to the bass. They hit it both ways and you save a lot of money.
My gosh, man, I want to see if I can snag this monster again. I think it was a bowfin though. Go right back to the same hole, see if he'll go back. See if he'll go back. See if I can coax him out. Dude, that thing just nailed it. Oh yeah, that's the same thing. Oh, that's a good bass. Oh yeah. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh yeah. There you are. That's what you were. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, guys, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that's a guy that just popped that line.
Borderline 11.
Pop that line. Let me take a picture proof here of that monstrous beast. He's a good 3 pounder right there. You guys see him? Now I'll let you go back in here. Go swim off. Woo! All right. Well, there's one on the. Oh man, just had to eat my worm. All right, so that's one on the black worm. Or this worm, I mean. Dang, man, come on. You know you want it. You know you want it. There it is. Oh, you son of a... Dude. Oh, they're toying with me now. They're toying with me. You know you want to eat. Oh, oh, baby. Oh. Dude. Dude, look at it. It looks like I just rigged up a night crawler now after they hit that dude. Like I just saw it swirl right there. Casted right in, perfect cast, man, and just I have to up my game or something, man. I'm losing too many of these things. Like these are like gimmies, man, and I'm just giving them back to the pond. Giving them back to the pond. Here we go. Let's see if something's hiding back there in that area. Oh. Got a lot of ground to make up. He's swimming right at me. All right, whoa, buddy. Whoa, buddy. It's not losing. Woo! Another nice one. Man. There he is, guys. Here's another nice one. Got some grass on your eyeball, man. Let me take another shot of this guy. My phone will, nope. My fingerprint's wet. He's got some roughness to him, man. Let's see, best shot. Let's see. Oh, damn. It's a nice one. Nice one. Right, guys. So that's two. That's two on the black worm. Like I say, man, you know, there's some good fish in here. You know, there's some really good fish in this little community, man, and I'm like 2 minutes from my house. So it's pretty fun, you know, getting out in the evenings and hitting a few of these ponds. You know, and I never fished this one. I just basically, you know, I saw it and I was like, oh, you know, maybe I'll try it one day. And then I tried it over the weekend, and I caught one down here in this corner, you know, down here in this far corner on a pumpkin with chartreuse tail, 6-inch worm. Damn, this guy's all sorts of bugged up. I'm gonna run you right there. Let me see if I can make this work, guys. The boat. Click the boat on. Oh, let's see. I got a text message. Let's see who just texted me. Probably the wife. Text me. Yeah. She asked what our neighbor's name was, and I told her I didn't know. I forgot. Alright, guys. Alright. And that's our boat trip. Action going on. Take my sunglasses back off. There he is. There's that little guy. It's always the little ones, man, that are the feistiest. Oh, damn. You tried to go, you went full send on that thing, man. It's a nice little guy. What do you guys think? It's a nice little guy. Flying fish. But I am gonna work this guy right here down this edge. I got just a few more minutes, guys, before the mosquitoes start making their presence known. Oh yeah, boys. Dude, there's some nice bass in here. Nice bass in here. I'm gonna walk in back down here, 'cause I want to get a picture of this big boy. Oh, that's fire ants. Drop him down. Yeah, I should have my phone on me, but I don't. It's another nice bass, guys. Another nice one. And I'm gonna toss him back in. Right there. All right, guys. I'm gonna call that, and if I catch any more, I'll post some pictures.